Hey, what's up guys? Today, I'm gonna surprise you guys. I'm gonna unboxing the world's smallest massage gun. It's a Recoverfun Mini. Okay, now, let's get started. Open the box. There's two color options. This is a bag. It's like a travel bag. You can put your massage gun and all the attachments and a USB cable inside this bag. And this is the menu. Simple operation menu. The massage gun. It's a red color. It comes with 4 attachments. The bone heads and the round heads. And this is for the spoon. Yeah, I want to say, and this is very nice, aluminum metal heads. The color looks fantastic to match this red massage gun. And this is the USB cable for charging the massage gun. It takes about 3-4 hours to get it fully charged because you know this has 3 batteries inside. So that takes about 3-4 hours to get it fully charged. With a single charger, probably you can use about 6 hours to 8 hours. Depends which level, speed level you are using for. Okay, now let's open the last one, the black. Back, menu, and black. All the attachments inside. But what's gonna surprise you is this. Also is aluminum metal heads, but it's a silver color. Also is very good match with this black mini massage gun. Looks fantastic. There are a few things are very important for the massage guns. Number one thing is the stroke length. Somebody say it's amplitude. It means the stroke distance when you're doing the percussion massage. More stroke length means more deeper massage. This mini massage gun has 6 millimeter stroke length. Number 2 is the decibels. Decibels means how quiet is the massage gun. We're gonna do the test later. Number 3 is the battery life. In this massage gun, with a single charge, you can use 6 to 8 hours. For example, if you use half hour massage per day, probably gonna use about a week with a single charge. Number 4 is the store force. Store force means how much power when you push to your body and stop it. This mini massage gun is a 6 millimeter stroke length. Short stroke length, it's hard to stop it. Let's get a test. It's pretty strong with the top speed. Number 5 is the RPM. RPM means how much percussion per minute. So it means how much percussion and vibration per minute. So this mini massage gun has 4 speed levels. From 4th speed level to the 4th speed level, there are different percussion and vibration per minute. We're gonna test in next step. Okay, this is RPM test. 4th speed level, 1800. 2nd speed level, 2400. 3rd speed level, 2900. Top speed level, 3400. Let's take a look. The Recoverfun mini massage gun. It is built with aluminum materials. Feels very solid. Also the flat heads. Materials built with aluminum. What's the benefits with the aluminum heads? Glossy and easy cleaning. Also, after 1 or 2 minutes running the percussion massage, it feels a little warm to your body. After 3 minutes, 4 minutes, it feels, you get a more warm, a little hot to your muscles. It feels like a heat massage. Now is the next thing. Who will be the benefits with this mini massage gun? Personally, I want to say for me, as a man, once I use the force speed, it's not enough power and deeper for me. Number 2, number 3, number 4 level, yeah, I feel a little power right now, but it's still not that powerful and deeper for me because I do a lot of fitness training and workout every day. But as the office people and the old people and the ladies, I think this is gonna be the best choice for them to get a pain relief if they don't need too much power and a very deep muscle recovery. What I want to say is the Recoverfun Mini may be the best gift for your family and friends. It's portable, tidy, and solid quality. The real important thing is it delivers the real benefits. They will love it. I think it's gonna be the popular gift in this Christmas. You may ask about the price. How much is the cost for the Recoverfun Mini? It costs $79. With $79 to get this solid and a stylish product, I think it's worth it. It's an affordable price for most of people. Well, thank you for watching. So in next video, I'm going to talk about the Recoverfun Mini vs. the Recoverfun T5. We'll see you guys in next video.